Welcome to Cloud Infrastructure Services YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to go over the top 10 list for the best Zoom alternatives for video calling, free and paid, along with their pros and cons. So let's not waste any time and let's move on to the video. So at number 1, we have Jitsi Meet. Now Jitsi Meet is the top first best alternative to Zoom. Now this app is designed for quick installation and work. The best thing about Jitsi Meet is its freedom of customization. Throughout this list, we are not going to go over the detail of each element in this list. We are just going to explain what it is and the pros and cons of that particular application. So moving on to the pros of Jitsi Meet. Now Jitsi Meet offers top-notch features at the best price. It has best quality and lower latency and so much more other features that you get with a premium video calling application. Now if you were to talk about the major cons of Jitsi Meet, then the large storage requirement for data is a major drawback when it comes to video calling application. And other than that, some users have mentioned the audio delay during the meetings, which can be crucial if that meeting is a very important business meeting. Coming at number 2 on our list is actually RingCentral Video. Now we are aware that the limited time of the Zoom meeting is quite frustrating, but do not worry, we have a RingCentral Video for you. Now this app allows you to host a 24-hour long meeting of up to 100 participants. Well, you get even more premium features in the paid version. If you were to talk about the pros of RingCentral, then attending the meeting and sharing the screen on the cell phone is super easy and quick, which is something that you do not often get with other meeting applications. The quality of audio and video both are at HD. It is easy to install and creating a meeting is as easy as clicking on one button on the screen. Even the paid version is pretty affordable, and then you have other pros as well. Now if you were to talk about the major drawbacks of RingCentral, then the video quality does need some kind of improvement. And at the time of this recording, you cannot customize the greeting text of conferences. Well, this may not be important to all of the meeters, but it is important to some of them who like to customize everything according to their will. At number 3, we have Google Meet. Now Google Meet is another best alternative to Zoom. And unlike Zoom, you don't need to install the application. You can simply host or attend the meeting by navigating the app through Google. Now Google Meet allows you to schedule calls, share meeting links and screens as well as record calls. Now if you were to talk about the pros, then you have live captions if the language is in English. You can share screens, you have online meetings and events, you can promote e-learning like Weka and sending messages. You even have knowledge-based communication in the chat box. You can record a meeting or a webinar, whatever you are attending, and then all of the other pros that you can expect from a top-notch video calling application. Now if you were to talk about the major drawbacks or the cons of Google Meet when compared to Zoom, then at number 1, we have that we do not have the hand raise feature in Google Meet. And if you were to be brutally honest, the UI needs some serious improvements. And then it also requires higher bandwidth for better video quality, which can be a drawback for people connecting from remote areas. At number 4, we have Webex Meetings. Now Webex Meeting is designed by Cisco. And if you want to have the HD video conference experience, then Webex is the best choice for you. Now, if we talk about the features, then it allows you to give your reaction during the conference and remove noise and input voice enhancement along with other features that are crucial for a video calling application. If we were to talk about the pros, then it has an artificial intelligence integration, high quality audio and video. It can allow you to share documents and files and even whiteboards. It allows international calling. It even includes user authentication and so much more. You can even create a confidential attendee list. If you were to talk about the cons of Webex Meeting, then it is a slightly trickier to use. The user experience and reliability needs an upgrade. Noise cancellation does not always work. Well, it is good when it works, but when it does not, it sucks. The website version does not work appropriately, so the website really does need some kind of improvement. And unfortunately, the security system of the application is quite weak. Several invasion activities have been observed by the users. At number 5, we have a well-known application which is Microsoft Skype. Now Skype needs no introduction. The most amazing thing about Skype is that you can call anyone in the world. So we'll just simply jump inside the pros. Well, for the pros of Skype, you have artificial intelligence integration, which makes the use of app easier and more interesting. It has excellent end-to-end encryption. It offers a secure and reliable audio as well as the video calling experience. Skype allows you to whiteboard, hold a poll, hold a post question, answer sessions, and so much more. And then even in the free version, you have top-notch, top-tier features. Now, if you were to talk about the cons, then making an account or profile is necessary to use this application, which is something that you do not need to do with other applications like Google Meet. Now, it is one of the most used applications in the world, but still there is an option for the real-time captions or translation that does not work as perfectly as it should. The quality of the voice and video depends on the speed of the internet service provider. So Skype does not rely on its software to enhance that voice quality and the video quality. And it really does need some improvement in the performance. And if we were to talk about the user interface, then the user interface looks like as if it is a PowerPoint slide. At number 6, we have something that is also popular, which is FaceTime. Now, FaceTime is one of the best Zoom alternatives, especially for Apple devices. FaceTime is different from traditional video conferencing applications. Now, we are not going to explain what FaceTime is, we're just going to jump inside the pros. Then, in the pros, you get video conferencing and audio calling, which is extremely top tier quality, free pre-installed application in the Apple devices. This app is really easy to use, calls are end-to-end encrypted, it is an Intel-based Mac application which improves the security and other features that you can expect from a video calling application. If you were to talk about the pros of FaceTime, then it is not that much great for work-related applications because the applicants can have different types of devices while FaceTime is bound for only Apple-based devices. And it is not ideal if you think productivity because it leans towards more of a social app than a video conferencing app. In FaceTime, you do not get the option of text-based messaging, and it is not compatible with Windows as it is only compatible with Mac and Apple-based products. Now at number 7, we have GoToMeeting. Now, the robust security and intriguing features of GoToMeeting makes it one of the best applications for video conferencing. Now, this application provides you several custom options like choosing your own background while sharing the screen. You can get the transcriptions, meeting reports, recordings, and integrated chats within minutes. Now, coming on to the pros of GoToMeeting, it is a very affordable app. It has a lot of integration. It delivers the video in HD quality. It allows the sharing of documents in real time. Now, if you were to talk about the cons of GoToMeeting, then the biggest con is that it does not have a free version. And because of this, users have placed it at a high pricing viewpoint. Even though it is quite an affordable app, but having no free version makes it quite a pricey application. The encryptions are quite weak and it requires a fast and error-free internet for the meeting to go smoothly. At number 8, we have TeamViewer. Now, TeamViewer is another application that requires no introduction. It's a top-notch Zoom alternative. It allows you to share multiple screens, pre-meeting setups, and controls of the screen being shared. Basically, remote access to the host. If you were to talk about the pros, then it is a quick app that you can create and join meetings within minutes. It allows the users to have remote access if the host permits. It provides commendable customer support and route configuration is not necessary. TeamViewer offers the highest security and has the best customer support. Now, if you were to talk about the cons, then there are a few, but they are quite important as TeamViewer Pro can be a bit pricey. It is not free for commercial purposes at all. You need to have a license to use this application and it is not compatible with proxy servers. At number 9, we have Chanty. Now, with the help of Chanty, you can organize calls, conversation, text, and tasks. The free version of Chanty allows you to create a meeting of up to 10 participants, but the free version restricts audio calls. Well, that is kind of a drawback, but still, it is a top-tier video calling application. The pros of Chanty include being the super easy to use, built-in task management feature, Kanban view, setting the due date of notifications, and other features. Now, if we were to talk about the cons, then we have two major cons that if you want to perform video calling, then you need to purchase the paid version. And it is not an open source software. At number 10, and the last on our list, is BlueJeans. Now, BlueJeans is one of the best conferencing tools when it comes to large businesses. This smart application allows you to tag critical business moments, assign tasks to members, and highlight events. Now, if we were to talk about the pros, then again, it is the best to host a video conference for a larger group. It has several advanced features. It helps to create high quality, interactive, and secure conferences and other valuable features. For the cons, Now for the cons, we have that the privacy policy does not have end-to-end encryption. Some users have faced the interruption in the voice and it does not work without a high-speed internet. Well, if you still want more details about the elements on this list, then you can simply check out the blog created by CIS and the link is in the description box. And if you have learned anything new in this video and if anything has helped you from this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.